Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error we couldn't install a required dependency Valorant. Chapter 1. How to fix error we couldn't install a required dependency Valorant starting service. To start, right-click on Start and select Task Manager. Here, locate the processes associated with Valorant and click on End Task to close them. After that, enter Services in the search box, click on Services. In the console, select the VGC service, double-click on it. Here, in Startup Type, you must assign Automatic, then click Start to load this service. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. Chapter 2. How to fix error we couldn't install a required dependency Valorant uninstalling Vanguard. To get started, open the control panel from the search box and then click on Uninstall a program. When you are here, select Riot Vanguard and click Uninstall. Click on Yes to authorize, and after this, select Yes to continue with the uninstallation. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When this process finishes, access Valorant without error. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.